Greetings, everyone. I'm going to show how to draw an LOP using OpenCPN software, which is used primarily for navigation using charts for sailing charts. And I've been asked to do this by Mr. Horn, and I think it's from the OpenCPN forum, if I remember correctly. So here we go. So he asked me to draw an LOP with the following information. Assume position of 62 degrees north, 6 degrees west with a zenith of 119 degrees, 119, and intercept of 7.1 nautical miles towards. So 62 north, 6 degrees west, zenith 119, and intercept 7.1 nautical miles towards. So I'll do that. And just to make one thing clear, the audio quality from my microphone is on purpose this bad because I wanted to simulate a very sort of ATC and flight simulator environment for the recording, so I don't know how to turn the plugin off or how to deactivate it. I tried it here before for starting this video, so I'm just going to leave it because otherwise it's going to take too long. I might end up actually deleting the plugin, which took me a lot of effort just to set it up, so I'm sorry. And hopefully you just need to see instead of listening to what I'm talking about. So I'm sorry. So here we go. First of all, just don't mind the many plugins I have it here on OpenCPN. No need to pay attention to them. So the first thing we do is the assume position. So we just create the waypoint with the assume position. Just right click, drop mark, right click on it, properties, select properties. So a name, let's assume it's, we took it from the moon. So I'm going to put moon at 0623 Zulu. And latitude is 62 north with longitude of 6 whiskey. So 6 west. And okay. And here we have it. Just to confirm, just put the cursor on top and you can see that 62 north with almost 6 degrees west. So it's basically it. So it's the moon. We're simulating it, shot of the moon at 623 Zulu. Now, what we do is the zenith is 119 degrees, so we got to draw towards. So it's 119 towards. It's like this way here. If it was away, it would be this way here. So right click on top of the waypoint, which is our sim position. Main menu, new route, and here we have it. So I don't think we needed to click on top of it, but anyway, let's see. I'm going to put escape, right click, new route. Yeah, same thing. So I'm sorry. No need to click on top of the waypoint. You click on top of the assume position once we have it, because the line now has to come from the moon, right? Sorry, from the assume position. We could have named it this AP as well for the moon, but anyway, it's up to you. So now right click. Let's see. If I left click on it, yep. Next to it, it's gonna ask. OpenCPN asks, is it nearby the waypoint? Yes. Okay. So you see, so the origin is right at the waypoint or the assume position. Now, as you can see, we can. There's the heading and the distance. So let's go for 119 and at 7.1. So it's 119 at 7.1. So you can zoom in order to help you out. So 119 at 7 point here it is. Okay, so we got it. We got the zenith. So I'm going to click, left click, and for OpenCPN, it simulates that that's our first waypoint. Now, this is where things we must draw a right-hand angle to do the LOP, right? Because remember, it's always 90 degrees off. So I can pick either this side or this side. So I'm going to pick this side here. So if this is 19, you got to be like less. This 19 minus 90 degrees, which is 29 degrees. So I zoom out, and it has to be like 29 degrees, you see? So 29 degrees, yeah, 29 degrees, about 18 miles. I think it's fine. You can just extend if your LOPs don't intersect at all. I'm gonna put like maybe, I don't know, 20 miles, depending on you. Of course, it depends on how accurate you are with your shots. So you're gonna put like 29 degrees here. You left click. Now you have to superimpose or just like put it on top of the other here. But since I want to be very accurate, I have to have 29 plus 180, which goes to up to 209. So once you come here, you see, down here it has to say 209, which is like that 209 at 56 miles. It doesn't matter the mileage. It's just the direction that's important. So it's 180 degrees from here. So it's like 209, and there you have it. So let's make sure it's 209. Then you left click, and then you're done. So in order to get this last leg rid of it, get rid of that, just press escape, and there you have it. So we got the moon, a shot of the moon at 623 Zulu. You could like put it here because you usually name the LOP here. You can name it the waypoint as well, but I just put it the moon here. I know it's the AP, it's here, and then come here. And then you just draw the other LOPs, and once you got a triangle, that's where your true position is. So this is how I do on how I draw the LOPs in OpenCPN. The other video I'm gonna see, so I'm gonna show you how I draw it on the iPad with not using, of course, the tools. So just use the digital tools with an app, which I like to use it, the Note Shelf. For the next video, I'll show you how I draw the LOPs there, which is like, it takes more time, but here is very straightforward. And of course, in OpenCPN, you have the Celestial Navigation app, which is like, let me just find it here. It's been a while. Holy cow, where is it? Weather routing. Oh gosh, where is it? Yeah, Celestial Navigation. So this one here it is. Just a quick peek. So you see, when you select it and you put it everything here, it's going to do the same thing, but it's going to draw the LOP right here. Let's assume that if I put the same information, it's going to like draw a line here. But it's very accurate. It's very accurate. But that's cheating. So I'd rather do it myself because, you know, that's it. So that's it. That's how I draw an LOP in OpenCPN. Hope you enjoyed the video.